From Engineer Plus is a brand name from where I come from. I was listening to quite a few waterproofing issues and stuff. I guess what I understand, everyone in this area of waterproofing, I guess everyone is interested in the solution rather knowing about the name of the products. Let the product be named in my name like Jigar or Rajesh, but end of the day, what is the solution is provided is more important rather than the name of the product. Correct? If I'm not wrong. So let's come to the point, and in case can I show a small presentation about a company so that you can connect like where did the solutions came from. So if it's okay if I can show you one small 3-minute video of our company which will conclude nature of the things, and then straight away I will come to the conclusion of the solutions what I can give you. Is it okay? I have a time. Yes, wait.
You can send it on WhatsApp.
Okay, correct, that's okay. Introduction of the company. Yeah, great. So, quickly, okay, by the short introduction, the company's name is Indore Color Organics Limited, which started in 1991. So, we are celebrating our 30 years of excellence right now. And the brand name is called Engineer Plus. We have all the products what we apply is manufactured 100% made in India, eco-friendly, bituminous free, and with American standard certificate as we export the same also across various countries. Why bituminous free? Major of the issues of water problems in India, people think the bituminous, they might be applying direct bituminous, or there are several products made from bituminous is as one of the very important raw material or a factor what people consider. But the life, what we need as a solution, like one time if we do any kind of an application, and it has to last for a longer period of time, which we normally don't see with a lot of different other products in the market available. Let it be a very big brand or a small brand. We are not debating on the name of the valuation of the brand. We are talking of a solution, the life of the solution. So we have developed certain products, as I said, and we also have developed not only the products but the application in our own laboratory. And we have been successfully doing such applications since last 30 years. Oldest site in Mumbai we have is around 13-year-old site, and till date, we do not have any single complaint out of that. Of course, there are lakhs and lakhs crores of square feet what we have done across Mumbai and Navi Mumbai till date. We are also on the panel of in Madhya Pradesh in several other states with government on the panel of PWD. Also, our products are approved by PWD in several states. We are also on the panel of SIDCO. We have several famous projects done by us in Bombay till date. So, in case if you want to know about, yes. In case if anyone wants to know about more of or see what kind of work several sites are there, we can share all the data also with you. Coming to the point, the solutions. I'll just show you. I have shared the soft copy also. I will share on the WhatsApp, so you all can go through that. Okay. So what we do is we have identified the problem areas of any construction site. Starting from, it can be a new construction or old construction. Anywhere the problem starts with basement. There might be a leakage in the basement, either in the new or the old construction. Then comes the podium areas. Then comes the bathroom and toilets or kitchen sinks. Then comes the exterior walls. Then comes the terrace. And then comes the water tank, the storage overhead water tanks, and the swimming pool. These are the standard 7 areas in any building. There is a water leakage issue. Beyond that, of course, there might be some more issues. But these are the major 90% of the leakage happens from these 7 areas. So we have designed 7 different applications, say for these particular areas, rather giving you only a solution in terms of use by this name of the product or a one product. No. The solutions are designed in such a way that it combines multiple of our own products. Like for example, and we create different layers on it. And then there is a solution provided with the warranty and a long-term benefit up to 10 years. This is the standard practice. All the different solutions are there in my catalog. Also, I will share with you. I will not take so much time to explain everything. Coming to the point of your thing, we have just recently also 1 year back, we have launched for the external walls. We have seen the solution what we are going to provide. We call it a colorful waterproofing. So, because why the need of colorful waterproofing? In case if you do a lot of chemical application, every society will need again to do a color on that. Second, there is a good texture feeling on currently on the exterior walls right now, which is being done by the builder, and till now you are maintaining that as an every society. So in this case, there are two things which are used on the exterior wall. Since the builder has done the construction, the one thing is the texture. After the plaster of your society, there is a texture which is being applied on the external wall. First thing. After that, there might be a good paint which is applied. Now, there are a lot of paints available in the market which has a 10-year warranty. The difference of our company, what we have recently started a new workflow system. There are three to four major points which I can say it can be acting as a benefits to the client. The first thing is, as a company, we directly deal with the client. I can say there is no company till date in India who will get into a direct dealing with the client. When I say direct dealing, you are a client, you have a society, you might be calling any of the largest, biggest brand for waterproofing or for color. They will make you to deal with, they will talk with you, they will provide solution. But your invoicing will happen through their channel partners. Might be a dealer, might be a distributor. So your raw material comes from there, so you get that one invoice. This is a standard practice in the market. After that, they will also provide you with their authorized contractor or authorized applicator. So the labor charge, the invoice, which you are giving to the authorized applicator or a contractor. After that, when you ask that, where is the warranty certificate? That time, in every case, I guess whatever I'm saying, I'm not naming any brand, but you can talk of any member of the brand and check these things. You have to apply for the warranty certificate online on the website of the brand by submitting all these third-party invoices. So now, legally, you are dealing with three people, and in case if there is an issue, as a company we have seen since last 30 years, what from our clients is, whenever you have an issue or you claim the warranty, at that point of time it is difficult for you to catch hold of to whom. If you are catching the contractor, he said the material came from that, so it is not my job. The material guy says that I am just a dealer, and the company says my contractor might have not applied it properly. So there is a running around thing. So to cut down this, we came up with an idea 1 year back in Bombay, where we succeeded very big time in terms of direct 1 point contact, 1 point billing, 1 point warranty with the company. Whoever does the application, let it be my contractor, the responsibility is mine because you are dealing with 1 point contact, one customer care number. Second thing, when you talk about warranty, 99% of the people, even in fact, who are not as a client, but who are part of this industry, as a contractor or as a company or a dealer, no one have read the terms condition of the warranty. And no company stresses to the client that please read the terms condition. We will see the advertising, 10 years warranty. Have you read the terms condition? What is the warranty all about? No one knows. We have seen that 99% people have not read. Neither we read our credit card terms condition, so that's not an issue. So the same thing, we as a company, we want to be more crystal clear in terms of what warranty we supply and what is the ratio. We share that also in detail and tell the client upfront, please read it. The difference between our warranty with any other company is the other companies normally give, when they say 10-year warranty, is called performance warranty. There is a very small word written, it's called performance. When I say, like if there is a good paint applied and said that this is the waterproofing paint and there is a warranty. So there is no waterproofing warranty. It is a paint performance warranty that defines that paint will not fade in 10 years. That's the only thing. That too, if applied as per their norms. Second, in case if we fulfill their terms, still the warranty is for material, not the application. Again, repairing during the time of warranty application, you are going to pay the application, the labor charge you have to pay. Everything is mentioned in that. Wherein in our case, we are crystal clear mentioned, everything is available also on our website openly. Yeah. Sorry.
We just want to update that we are dealing directly with the principal company. In this case, their warranty is differentiated. They are doing, they are scaling it, but it asks Jigar to focus on the actual solution rather than.
Coming to the point, so these are the basic difference why we are there. This is the solution we are going to, the first step what we said, I said is colorful waterproofing, which will include on your walls, external walls. We will have a chemical application of 2 coats, which will be a waterproofing chemical. After that, we'll be having a paint, which is equivalent to standard waterproof or weatherproof paints available in the market. We have our own products. So this is a 4-layer standard coating with a little bit of texture effect. So this is just a small sample demo done on a sheet of cement sheet, where it comes with a 8 years complete application warranty, not the material one. In case of anything, if there is a complaint from your side, in case if happens, there will be one customer care given to you to do a complete application with the solution during the time of warranty, and there is no charge you pay for that. We will share all the technical details and this thing with the team. So this is what, in case if you want to just have a look and feel what kind of textures we have. So this is the solution what we are going to provide on the external wall. Second, what is the life? This is, see, life if you talk, it's approximately around, whenever warranty I say is cover the life. This is the standard practice what we have. So if I say any application which has 10-year warranty, that means the life is 20 years. This has 8, so it's 50 to 60 years life. So whatever is the life, normally company intends to give a 50% of the life warranty. That's our standard practice. So this is one thing. On the terrace duct area, where you found there are certain areas, certain issues, we have a 7-layer waterproofing, 7-layer waterproofing treatment, where in which we start with the application. This is like a fiber mesh. Again, you can just feel it. So there are different chemicals we apply and create a 7-layer which will have a 10-year warranty. I'll show you one small.
Is a choice of color for paint?
So it will have a grey color.
Choice of color is
No, on the 7-layer, on the external wall, there is a choice of color, of course. We will match as per your thing 4. But on the terrace, there is no choice of color in terms of it will come grey or white, either of it. There are 2 options for the terrace. The duct area or whatever the area is being
so the terrace also there are 4 layers?
Terrace is 7-layer.
7 layers.
7 layers. Out of that, just one thing I'll show you. 7-layer is asli waterproofing. Flexi coat is not required for you. That is for basement. That is the sandwich waterproofing, but it is not required for your society.
What are the 7 layers in that?
Coming to that, what are the 7 layers? This is a brick which is not, I'm just not showing to it one. It is not coated at all. Not coated. Here it's very big. Here it's not. Even the brick is not coated, still it is not drinking water. Basically, there is a hydrophobic chemical which we start our application with this chemical. So the surface does not drink water at all. So this is the first layer of our 7-layer. This is the fiber mesh, which we put up as a second layer as a reinforcement system for the strengthening. After that, there is a 2 of our chemicals, we call it WAC 99 and ICS 99 mixed with a dry powder. So it's a 3 chemicals put together, we create a paste out of that. So it's something similar to a cement mixed with some chemicals. After that, the paste has been applied on the second layer. So once this is being spread, On that you will apply 2 layers or 3 layers of this. So the cement becomes like a elastomeric chewing gum. So this is the feel of this thing. On that we have 2 layers of lamination to protect from UV rays, heat. So this combines and comes to 7-layer application. This 7-layer application, as I said, I have in Villaparle, nearest to your location, we have a 13-year-old site which we have applied 13 years back. To the whole building we have done. It's not because of course the building was very small and old, so there was a lot of structural damage. So this is what application has been done, and the strength of this 7-layer application is more than a brick bed cover. Because this is the same application what we suggest to new construction sites. If there is a new town coming up, on the terrace, standard practice in the market is going on is after the slab they do brick bed cover. After that you might have China mosaic on the terrace or a tile. So all that thing, what you need to do is cost effective and much more having a life than both the two products, those old products, old systems.
Just a caveat, this 7-layer one is only limited to that 750 square feet of roof and duct area, and the side walls have that 4-layer bigger.
The side layer, why 4-layer? Because it's a side wall, there will not be a water stagnant and side from the side wall. This is more than enough. Yeah. So it does not require that level of strength what a horizontal surface needs. So why to spend so much on that? And why to do application?
So I don't know if everybody heard this. This brick has a hydrophobic layer, and the gentleman put water on it, and it's not been absorbed.
This is how the 7-layer after the application will look like. This is like a cane bowl, and this is the 7-layer application done inside it. You can fill the water and create a flower pot.
What would be the thickness in this?
Thickness is in microns, of course it will not go more than 1 mm. Overall, all 7 layers put together.
In 4 layers.
That's also less than 1. They will be very much in micron. Because the chemicals basically what we use is basically filling the porosity of the surface. So maximum amount of chemical is getting inside the pores. Like how I showed the brick. So it gets inside the pores. So it does not drink the water and does not.
Is it agroscopic?
Hydrophobic.
Agroscopic.
Yes.
Just one question.
Yeah.
And all this is fine. The question is what invalidates the warranty?
Sorry?
What invalidates the warranty?
Hammering.
What invalidates the warranty because
Very open. I will share the complete document. Invalidate the warranty is just the hammering part. But if, for example, in case of a second layer or a side wall, I don't think so there is any kind of, unless there is a nail hammering, breakage. Because you see, there won't be any heavy surface on the side wall. Side wall, there is hardly any this thing, invalidating of the warranty point. Second thing, normally in other companies, invalidating warranty point is the application is not done properly. But then in our case, we ourselves are doing the application, so there is again no question of the application drawback. By whoever the contractor is done, not done the proper application. Yeah. Wherever required, I don't think so we will be able to move that. So wherever required, it can be done in direct, it's a liquid application. Understand one thing. So wherever it has been fixed, we cover that surrounding areas and do the application rather moving. If there is anything major, then we'll see accordingly. But I think as he said very rightly, that the terrace currently is a very small area.
Over the budget.
Sorry?
You will apply
Over the project, yeah. We don't believe in any breakage, no. See, on the side wall, what the first, on the side wall, as you asked, on the 7-layer, any application what we do, the first thing is we wash with a power jet spray water the surface. With the power jet, automatically wherever there will be a crack, which will automatically open up with the pressure of water, because it's a power jet. So we fill the cracks, create the surface flat. So this is called a surface preparation. Before that, we don't do any application. So that is understood and already covered under this. So the surface preparation will be there wherever I'm on the China mosaic or tile. We don't need to break or see anything and apply and redo nothing. Whatever is the existing surface, we just need a flat surface. So filling up the crack. So flat surface will be created, I'm saying. Wherever there is an area, we have already observed smooth surface. I'm talking a level surface, so we will have to do leveling. हाँ, सोलर का सोर्स पड़ा है, सीमेंट ब्लॉक्स. उसके that doesn't mean waterproofing, I guess.
The base of the block will be covered on the side. But
Whenever there's on the side and on the block post है, तो उसपे पानी नहीं जाएगा. हाँ, तो उसको निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है हमें.
How one can check whether it is waterproofing has been done or not? 100% sure.
Sorry,
Waterproofing is 100% sure. How
we have a scanner.
So, sir, I will just say we have heard Jigar from technology perspective. Second feedback is they are directly from the principal company. Third is they have come to a reference and a known source. So, there is certain degree of accountability. Of course, we will read the warranty and the fine print and the signing. Fourth point is that we are doing this in a staggered approach. I said 21,750. Now whether in east wall or west wall or south wall, what priority the recommendation of the committee members was to go ahead without waiting for funds accumulation, etc. to go ahead with this waterproofing. Now we can decide all of those priorities immediately.
I'll request the members in case if they want to ask any further question. Please feel free to ask me.
Sorry. Hello.
On the terrace, you are covering 750 square feet, unlimited area. Now, the area adjoining that, it is not the affected area as of now.
Correct.
But if there are any internal cracks, and if there is any propagation, and if there is a water, because nobody has analyzed, there is
Correct.
superficial analysis.
Correct.
So, it may happen that 750 square feet you will cover, but from outside that area, if there is a crack, and then if that continues, how are you going to address it?
Correct. So in that, currently, what we suggest normally, first thing is we don't need to do any kind of a breakage. So saving time and easy. Second, right now we have analyzed during the monsoon that there is a 750 square feet and external wall wherever there is a leakage. So right now we do that application. Beyond this, once the rain is over, you won't be able to come to know about that crack. What you ask me a question. So whenever there is a next rain or before this right now also, we after the application we have a machine, we call a scanner machine for walls. It's like same like an MRI, what we do a scan. So it will give you a complete report whenever there is a crack. So in case if it is there, whichever area is affected, we can do a later application also, which will automatically combine to this application. So that is not an issue. You can do it phase wise rather spending it doing it all together, which is not required. We can do the MRI of the whole additional.
I think we've done a structural audit, we've got some feedback, investigations are fine. We now need to move to actual action, application and
I think the only question is, Girish, our investigations has been done. When you are proposing a solution, share the problem also.
absolute.
So that we know what the issue is and what is being done. I'm not saying I'm an expert, I can understand many of it. But then people who are good at it may be able to give us some kind of solutions which can work. And it would be great if Jigar can put his recommendation as well, saying that, this is the thing that they are going to work along with it. So that we can get a better sense of what is being done.
Ravi, that's a fair observation and towards that we've received a letter also from subcommittee being formed, etc.
Hello. I can ask one question. Hello. Last year I had a problem. We were out of station. We were in US. During that period, there was in between 3 to 4 months back. One of our tap, the bathroom tap, because due to the pressure it came out and whole water was flooded in my house. And Mr. Gupta was badly, his house was badly affected. Putting that such pressure, we have to do the flooring waterproofing because the building is considered 40 years. Still now we were not doing it.
you need to send
or your.
Yeah, it was an accident actually, not a.
Whatever reason it may be, there can be also a solution without breakage for that. There are solutions.
Yeah.
That we can have to identify that, do the scanning, and then we can provide a
It
solution.
is only because of accumulation of water in the whole plant.
It can be. See, that is what I said. I need to
Yeah.
do a scanning.
And in the middle of the night, we opened the door from my neighbor and then we took the action.
There is a solution without breakage. We need to identify that, see the place, do the scanning, and then we can provide a solution without breakage.
Yeah, ठीक है. When on the present flooring, we have to do the waterproofing.
Not all. Wherever there will, as I said, as we do the scanning, we will come to know from which area, where is the crack, where is the water flowing from.
It is from the flooring, floor.
Floor is a big floor, sir. That is what once I
But that is very difficult because once the water is
we have a machine, we do a scanning, we will come to know.
which is the quality of your solution, how you work. Right? If we keep that aside and believe that everybody is actually giving similar kind of a quality, right? Then first we want to know, are you telling us that if we go to a barger and a Asian base, okay, they will give you an inferior solution. Combination of 3-4 different things, right? One is the waterproofing, then is the painting. And for every perspective, you can also put some because our perspective, what's the kind of a cost which can come in. Because we get to 6 proposed by you, certain number of square feet which you only get to hear to the morning, right? So for a similar kind of 21,750, okay, please keep your quality little bit outside. They are good, right? I think you know. I heard of Asian paints part. I will try. So aside, tell me how they cost if we actually commission directly with the barger, whether they get it done me or somebody or my brother-in-law. What's the cost? And what kind of a combination for 21,750? It's important for us to understand. Just a one-liner answer I have for the whole question. One-liner. Sir, you have a smartphone. I request. Sir, listen to me. Listen to me. Sir, have you listened to me? You want my answer? I'm giving you answer. Google पे सर आप खाली लिख लीजिए Asian और Virgin is not a waterproofing, so I don't compare myself with them. They are not a Google waterproofing company. They are one of number one paint company. So how can you compare an iPhone with Nokia? No. So exactly. So they are not waterproofing company. उनके जो solution है वो waterproofing करते ही नहीं है.
Getting to semantics, the point essentially is we have a problem that the reason you are here.
Correct, sir.
The problem is the combination of two things. One, essentially is actually waterproofing, and we are facing that.
Correct.
As the waterproofing gets done, you must be the building asset. You
Correct.
must paint.
Correct.
Two things.
Correct.
When you do it, I do it, my brother is not
Absolutely. Correct.
in combination with five others.
What I would suggest is him giving us other options is not his job.
That's what I'm saying. That question needs to be answered by us, not by him. He has given his proposal.
I will always be biased to my brand, so it is rather he will answer that.
Thank you, Jigar. Any other question, any clarification if you want from Jigar before we say thanks to him?
Thank you, Jigar, for taking your time out.
वो भेज दिया मैं ऑलरेडी व्हाट्सएप कर दिया स्टाइल ने
डाल दिया ग्रुप में डाल
ग्रुप
दिया
में डाल दिया भेज दिया व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप now we'll come to this. So what you are asking is a genuine question that okay, this is good, but how we are sure that